Okay, good morning everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So if you are here joining with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. And again, a quick disclaimer, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure your own trading plan. If not, get the advice from professional. Okay. So I think today we still got some counters looking very interesting. Now one of them is NE. This is not East. Okay, actually I just posted this morning in the Telegram. So probably later on we'll check out in more details. But we will start with the overall IBM KLCI. Now, if you got any stocks that you think is worth to share, let us know. Okay, comments below. Then we're going to take a look into it. Okay. Now, actually, overall for IBM KLCI yesterday, it didn't come with a very, very good closing. Okay. So while I feel that probably got a little bit of problems to change 1550, but I still remain positive. Okay, 1550 probably it can hit. But just that again, do remember technically IBM KLCI they are in the downtrend market right now. Okay, bearish or not, I'm not sure, but definitely not in a very good areas right now. So these few days of technical rebound doesn't mean it will change to bullish. I don't think so. There will be an immediate change in trend. But like I said, now everything I just focus very short term. Okay, if you got good profit, I mean personally for me, if I got a good profit, I'll take it. Okay, so like for example, my quota actually thinking already to maybe take some profit later and take good tag again. So Inari didn't really perform. Okay, unfortunately. Okay, so now actually I was looking into NE and then of course JF also for my next opportunities. So while right here looks like this gap is a bit difficult to close. Okay, yesterday also they tried to break but cannot. Most probably I think they will retry this level, try again before going back into the support. Okay, unless something changed later on. But right now, like I say, focus on short term first. Okay, and then continue to use your hourly chart to monitor. Okay, if you are looking for some short term opportunity like myself. Okay, let's start with some counter first. Okay, like I say, I got Inari. I got Great Tech. Okay, hopefully still boleh tahan okay, today up. Let's see how lah. Maybe I just because this one also I don't think of much of my entry. I think is somewhere around 202 or 203 area. So okay, maybe afternoon see how lah. Maybe we'll exit. But actually, so far so good lah. In the hourly chart over here, probably just going to let them a little bit of time, okay, for them to cross the resistance. Great Tech okay, Great Tech is okay. Yesterday finally they break jalan, but today looks like going to pull back again. Actually, I aim around somewhere around 175, 174. Okay, but okay lah. Considering the market nowadays, I think I'm also happy to lock some profit. I think it's around like 6% plus. Okay, 6% plus. Probably just going to lock some profit first. Then I'm going to switch to other. Okay, so far I think Great Tech is good. But most probably I think expect a little bit pullbacks today to maybe 1.6, 1.65 area. Okay, hopefully it will hold around this area over here. Inari a bit disappointing, but this morning got some activity coming back. I'm going to check until the afternoon. If let's say they are still holding around the gap area, I think it's still good to hold. If not, probably I'm just going to exit also with some small losses. Okay, cover with my Great Tech profit lah. So okay, let's try JF Tech. It's some of the counters that actually I'm also looking into actually. Yesterday actually I wanted to enter for JF Tech because the pullback area actually hold quite nicely. Yeah, but today do they not movement yet lah? Okay, my chart didn't update. Now it's 9:30 already. Shouldn't be lah. Okay, let's try NE because NE also quite nice. Okay, this one got update ma. Okay, let's go back to JF Tech. Can anyone confirm? Is it because of no so-called no activity or suspended or what? Okay, but our chart looks good lah. It's actually in the pullback area lah. UWC, I think yesterday during our live Facebook session we talked about it. Actually, I wanted to enter also, but IQ a bit low. Okay, IQ a bit low, so tak dapat. Okay, so technically against using hourly chart. Now, right now I'm using hourly chart. Unless you tell me you got other plans. Okay, I will use maybe different time frame. Hourly chart wise, I still think it's good. Okay, I still think it's good. Okay, so against safe level, I would say is that the current support around 2.32 or maybe 2.33 area, safe level lah. But sometimes let's say things that I'm okay to take a little bit of risk further, then I think you can enter higher a bit. Like yesterday also, because actually I'm a bit so-called stingy a bit. So I queued somewhere around this level over here, but it didn't hit. It's very strong. They're holding very strong. I thought this candle over here, right, the shooting star with a bit volume, right, it will maybe touch the 20 MA a bit before it bounce. But they break also towards the end. So, okay, right now I think the side is still good. The trend is still strong based on hourly. Safe level again around 2.3 area. Okay, so probably this is an area that you can watch out if you're really keen and interested. Okay, so there's quick one for UWC. Actually, also waiting see whether it will pull back a little bit lower or not. Actually, I'm still aiming for 2.26. But let's see how it goes. If not, I'm just happy with my grad tech. Hopefully, Inari also rebound it on. Okay, now let's try Pokong. Okay, Pokong. Okay, I think this one follow a bit of current gold prices already. Now this is today, 21st March. Okay, so far low volume, but it's only the first 30 minutes. I think good law. I think good law this one. Even though it's some red candle, but this is more on the gap up candles. This one is a gap up candle. Of course, today drop. So now let's study in more detail using hourly chart here. Hourly chart didn't provide much information. Okay, so daily chart. Okay, daily chart here. Here might wash out a bit. Here is the previous resistance. Okay, gaps, rejection, resistance. Okay, so if you already entered, if you are holding, maybe 1.1 is the area that you want to monitor. So if let's say it goes up again, rejected again, maybe you know already, maybe it will back to support sideways again. Okay, so it's a good area for you to take profits. Now, if you want to look for entry, I think they are doing a shakeout. It's not really game over yet for me. I think they are most probably doing shakeout. Okay, I give you safe level to enter because it's a bit difficult to say that it's a good entry or not right now because it's like in the middle. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call. So, but if you want to have a so-called safer level or maybe lower risk, okay, I think close to this support level, I think would be good. Even maybe this area below RM1 would be good. Okay, to monitor. But overall, for Pokong wise, they are doing a shakeout. Okay, and the shakeout yet to complete. Okay, so here one rejection already. So what I'm trying to say is that got potential, but maybe you have to hold a bit on this kind of sideways conditions. Okay, X dividend on Tuesday usually price will down after X dividend. Okay, as far as I know, normally down one. Okay, but depends. Some actually don't have much impact. Okay, but mostly I think is down. Okay, but of course, if we add back into the dividend, I think mostly it's likely it's the same also. Okay, but because normally for me, I don't really trade. I mean, short term, I don't really trade purely because of the dividends. Okay, but if you ask me, yes, normally it will drop a bit one. Okay, now let's look into Almas. Okay, Almas I think is one of the strongest. Now this one actually, okay, deeper shakeout actually completed. Now they are pushing sideways in this range. So here rejected previously. Okay, welcomes Hisham. So here actually rejected also. Okay, so maybe got chance to collect at this support level over here. So this support is how much? This support is around 0.77. Okay, probably you can monitor this range. Okay, because this one actually kind of like rejected with volume. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, here touch volume come in. Okay, so which means here still got sellers. So most probably it will test sideways support before they challenge again at 0.85. Okay, at 0.85. Okay, so there's Almas. Okay, any other counters that you want me to look into? Okay, so let's look into Northeast because this is one of the counters that I would think that today I will pay a little bit of attention to. Now later on we will also try to look some pullback counter because today this morning looks a bit quiet. Of course, some counter a bit moving up a bit, okay, but mostly are still pretty quiet. So I think it's a good time for us to look for some pullbacks. Okay, I'll teach you how you should look for it. So okay, now hourly chart. Okay, this is NE. Okay, holding ball. Okay, this is like very nice. Going up, pull back, going up, pull back. Okay, so maybe later afternoon I will decide. Today Friday lah, bit takut also. Okay, and then after 1 week already sudah raya. So long weekend some more. So that's why I don't plan to buy a lot and hold until raya. You see. So maybe okay. Today I will decide other NE or maybe other stock that we can spot today. Okay, now let's go back to daily. I will go to, okay, now maybe I do another one, NN Holdings, then before I go to my alerts, and I'll show you how usually I look for pullback also. Okay, NN Holdings, right? Okay, this one tricky. This one tricky. Okay, why? Because like I said, nowadays I don't really interested, okay, into those so-called previously DC related counters. Okay, yes, even though I know yes, yesterday I think YTL and YTL Power do a very good closing. Okay, but I have to be careful. Normally those like growing previously one. If you saw some distribution sign, okay, tends to be more careful. Okay, now overall, if let's say based on pattern and stuff, Holdings, right? So this one actually is still in the short-term downtrend line. Okay, here will be a support. Okay, I think this one is pretty straightforward. Okay, not sure whether you are looking for entry exit. Entry this level, safer. Okay, so you got a lower risk, or maybe you wait for the breakout. Okay, if you want to look for entry. So exit again easy. Drop this line, you have to chop it already quickly. You have to chop it quickly. So if I can share with you example, I think net gates ada ke tak ada? I think ada. Tak ada. Not net gates. Others. Okay, I cannot recall. Simprop. I think there's one also got this pattern. Okay, tak ada. Okay. Anyway, Simprop. Okay. So this one is inverse pullback. Okay. So here reject and then careful this support. If let's say you are still holding. So because I know a lot of people still in some of the DC related counters. Okay, so some of the DC related counters actually show a bit of distributions really. So probably you want to think on that. Okay, Coform I think last month just IPO, so I cannot really tell. Okay, because technical wise I have to look into the chart. No chart for me. Okay, less than a month of chart. I cannot tell. So okay, now we look into hourly. Wow, very illiquid this counter. IPO but illiquid. Okay, one really sorry that's why I cannot really tell because so far no setup. If you ask me if you're looking for entry opportunity, no setups. I cannot see any so-called good short-term setups right now for Coform. Okay, this one remind me of Mega FB. Is it? I think after IPO those dropped already lah. This one. Okay, now slowly going up back. This one I think if we use our chart still boleh see something lah. Okay, stable also. This one a bit illiquid also. Some of this IPO sometimes a bit quiet lah. Okay, I think LW Sabah is better if not mistaken. Last time I see, I didn't follow for some time also. Okay, this one at least still okay. Building support, but no trend reversal. Okay, so one, I'm not sure you are looking for entry or exit now. Okay, so far no trend reversal, but of course, good thing is that now they are actually at support very close to support So again, same things wait for maybe you want to wait for the a small breakout from here, okay, to look for some entry opportunities. But if you are more into I don't mind hold, but I want low risk. Okay, so yeah, I think this range here I think is pretty good because it's very close with the support. Okay, now let's try Sedania. I think Sedania the other day got a huge candle. Am I right? Oh yeah. Wow, this one really mine the counters. Okay, Sedania recently got volume coming back, crossing 2040 as well. Okay, looks like got momentum. But again, penny stocks and Sedania punya style lah. I think Sedania lagi satu ialah apa every time Sedania move, the guy will move one. Apa nama dia? I forgot. McLean or something. I forgot. If let's say one, let me know. Because I know there are two counter moving together, one Sedania and the other one. Something start with J, right? Okay, never mind. But lah, these two counters, they are pump and dump style. Okay, they are pump and dump style first thing. Okay, short-term trend, yes, there is. So let's do into hourly chart. Okay, now if you ask me safer one, of course 1.25, 125. Okay, would be a safer range. Okay, for you to so-called pick up lah. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call. This one I suddenly pun takut lah nowadays. This kind of penny counters. Okay, high volume this level here. Okay, so this one should be a so-called a safer zone for you to monitor for entry. Okay, resistance wise, let's go back to daily. Okay, we got a small gap here. Immediate resistance is 155. Immediate resistance 155. Of course, 140 got a gap, but considering the volume is high, I think got chance to retest 155. Okay, so probably next one after 155. Okay, if you're really keen, it will be 180. Okay, so yes, this one is more like a quick reversal type of trades. Okay, let's try Emulus. This one also no setup lah one. Recently break support. The nugget can keep long term. For me, yes, the nugget can keep long term. Just that I've been keeping for, personally for me, I keep for how long already? I keep for some time. I also cannot recall. 1 year plus. I sold it. But if you ask me, yes, the nugget can keep long term. Trend wise, I don't think there's much changes. Later I'll check again. Okay, now let's go back to Emulus first. Again, why I don't see any setup for this. Assuming you're looking for entry. Okay, assuming you're looking for entry. I cannot see any setups. Unless you want to mine technical rebound. Okay, I think okay. But even technical rebound, right? I feel that other stock is somehow slightly better right now because this one macam not much volume coming in. Yeah, I see here also like not much of volume coming in. Okay, best I think they can touch is that I think somewhere around this level. Okay, 0.24. Okay, maybe after that it will touch the 40 MA ABS. Okay, you're looking for long term or short terms. Not sure if you're looking for long term or short terms. Analyzer 5 out of 9. Okay, of course not the best one, but definitely not the worst one. Okay, still boleh lah. If let's say you're purely looking into so-called fundamental perspective. Okay, now let's try Bursa. Bursa looking for EP. No setup also. I think Grace, you asked Bursa somewhere a few days ago, right? Okay, this one for me is the same. No. Okay, technical wise, no. Okay, no setups. Okay, trend still down. And if you recall previously, I think I draw this as the resistance. Looks like they rejected. Okay, and maybe it will go back to here. Okay, 7.25. All right. So if you want purely buy based on the momentum trend, no. Okay, I don't see any good trend. Okay, but let's check again weekly chart. Okay lah, still the same lah. Maybe you wait until 7.25 lah, somewhere around here lah. Okay, to see whether got any maybe potential rebound from here, because this reversal seems like tak jadi lah. Okay, this reversal seems like tak jadi lah. Okay, let me go to analyzer. Okay, 6 out of 9, at least slightly better. Okay, 6 out of 9 slightly better. Now, again, for those who are using XChart, right? Who are using XChart, this website over here, and of course, if you are new to FA or technical, this is something that actually you can use it. I find it's useful, at least as a guide lah. As a guide, of course, you have to have your own so-called technique to read the market as well, the chart as well. But this is some of the things that I think it can help you out if you need a quick answer. Now, first of all, FA. Okay, now I'm pretty bad in FA, so I realize this very much. Okay, for my so-called FA readings. Now, this the one is more on TA. Okay, this part over here. So if you notice, this is the overall ratings out of 10. So this is negative, which is not good, obviously. Okay, now if you realize here, we got a small box lah. Okay, here we got a small box. We got S. Okay, hopefully you can see that now. We got S, we got M, and we got L. Okay, now S representing short term, M representing mid term, and L representing long term. So depending on your so-called objective or the stocks, then you can see the rating itself. Okay, so right now everything is negative. You know it's downtrend already. Which means this stock is in downtrend. So unless you are saying that, oh, I buy purely on TFA, so okay, this one 6 out of 9, I think it's okay. All right, so now let's try Tenaga. I think Tenaga, the rating of TA should be quite good one. Just that the other day it dropped a bit on so-called support. Okay, so the one scared me a bit. Okay, so oh yeah, not so good also. Okay, here also 0.5 against that. Okay, but FAY is good. So if you ask me long term can or not, okay, I would say yes. Okay, I would say yes. Okay, so if you look into Tenaga, but Tenaga I didn't follow lah after I exit already. Oh, okay lah, still can. Actually, they are in the sideways reaccumulation. So they have been in trendless for 1 year, almost come to a year already. Okay, almost come to a year. Okay. So okay, let's try VS. Wow. Okay. Okay, this one I have to ask already. JMQ Tan, you're looking for entry or exit dulu. Okay, this is what it means. Inverse pullback. You all have to be careful right now with inverse pullback. Don't think that these few days of rebound is bullish. It's not bullish. It's technical rebound. Okay, it's a technical. We have to differentiate between bullish and technical rebound. So that's why right now I still very careful. Okay, with my selection. Even I buy ready. My support I put alert one. Okay, put it on your phone. My XIFU apps got live alerts for you. I just put it there. Okay, just put it there. So at least when you hit ready, you know you can take action immediately. Okay, I'm not sure any one of you are looking for entry exit, but this one is for me is bad personally. Okay, this one is bad personally, because first of all it's inverse pullback. Okay, what it means? Okay, pullback is like that. Okay, pullback is like that. Up, retest, up. Okay, so this one is a healthy pullback. Good luck uptrend. Now this one is inverse pullback in downtrend. Drop, up, drop, up. Maybe we drop another leg again. Okay. Now another reason why I say this is a bit bad, because this is cutting below with high volume. Okay, if let's say they cut below with average volume, I still think that maybe still can turn a bit. But this one, wow, really high volume. Okay, now again I need to show you this chart. Okay. Here lah. Cut below, increasing volume. Here also, cut below, increasing volume. Okay, now it dropped again. Now rebound back. Okay, so I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit, but if you're looking for exit, all right, hopefully market this few days will rebound a little bit back to the previous resistance. So if you look into VS again, oh sorry, but if you are looking for entry, wow, this is a bit like catching falling knife already. Okay, here will be your previous support. Okay, maybe it will rebound to here. Normally, a stock drop belly, it will rebound. That's pretty normal. Again, same things with uptrend. Right? It goes up fast, it also will pull back one. Right? So two things are, I'm not sure you're looking for entry as exit. Okay, if you're looking for entry, yes, technical rebound might happen. Again, focus 85 cents area. Okay, you don't want to see this kind of candles with there is a tail on top one. Okay, which means there is a selling is happening. Okay. Cutting below 80 cents, is going to be bad again. So you need to be prepared. Okay. If you already holding and or maybe plan to enter. Okay, but trend wise, no. Okay, it's not my so-called favorite type of setups. Again, I might be wrong. Okay, sometimes it can rebound. Okay, let's try Uchitech. EP, wow. EP 38 cents. Okay, now this one, I think I reviewed before. I'm not sure is it you asked me, Eddie Lau. Eddie Low. Okay, I'm not sure whether are you the one asked me before. Okay, since I joined this, I think someone asked me. Yes, I remember Uchitech. And I say that this one is support. Okay, 35 cents is the support. Okay, drop below already. Okay, and you have to decide whether you still want to hold or not. For me, okay, now let's look into big chart first. Maybe still got something on. Okay, no. Best one for me, next support this area. Hopefully they'll rebound from here, 307. Oh, not from you. Okay, probably from others. Okay, probably from others. Okay, now few things about Uchitech. I'm not sure the reasons why I entered, but okay, now there are a few things that based on technical or charting, very important one. If you see gap down, plus white candle, plus high volume. Okay, this one you have to be extra careful. Park your alerts as support. Have to be remember that. Okay, now if you agree with me, help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. Okay, if you agree with me, help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. Okay, now what I mean over here. First of all, here you notice here gap down, right? Widespread candle, right? Okay, what is widespread candle? Okay, now if you compare this candle, of course you have to take the gaps into consideration because open, high, low, close you have to take the gap into consideration as well. So this candle is wider than all these. Okay, so this is considered white candle. Okay, and the other thing is high volume. So all this actually representing that there is some sort like a huge selling is happening. And this one from resistance, okay, so it's not a good sign. So normally, if let's say this thing happens, right, if you're really keen and interested, make sure you park your alerts and support. If drop, then you have to quit already. Okay, now, since you're already in at 38 cents, I think 35 cents, 33.8 ringgits, okay? Now, 3.5 ringgits will be your next resistance. Okay, and I think based on the volume, it's not easy to cross back. It probably takes it will drag you for another 3-6 months. Okay, Uchitech is like that. Uchitech, I so-called invest before. It will drag you 6 months, 3 months before they push. So for me, this one I haven't seen any so-called a temporary reversal yet. Maybe it will hit around 3 ringgits. Then maybe it will slowly pushing back to 350 cents. Okay, my guess right now, because I cannot really see so-called good candles right now. All I can see is bearish. So the next support is somewhere around this area. Okay, we will see again. Okay, later on, if let's say it tested somewhere around here, we will try to see again. Or maybe next week, somewhere around next week, I think Thursday, Wednesday, you can actually text in a group, or maybe in this live Facebook section, we'll come back and study again. Okay, but right now, not good. Okay, I don't like huge candle with volume, especially when it coming from the top. At the bottom, yes. Okay, at the bottom, yes, it represents this reversal, but from the top, widespread candle, high volume, you know something is not right. Okay, something is not right. Okay, MMAG, sell MMAG. Wow, okay. Okay lah, at least this one you cover back like your profit. Oh, sorry, this is JMQ Tan. Okay, I thought it's AD. Okay, so okay, good profit for this one. Wow, this kind of market, this guy still can jalan. Okay, I think good to lock profits. This one is far away from 20 and 40-day moving average. So normally for me, if let's say far away from 20 and 40-day moving average, at least partial profit, at least zero profit first, I think is a good choice. Yes, this counter might moving up, but again, we never know one. Sometimes, you thought it goes up, but later it reverse. Now, if let's say you are still holding, like for example, myself, sometimes if let's say I hit my target profits already or exceeded, partial profits, the other half, I'll use hourly chart to monitor shooting star. Like for example, this one. Okay, like for example, this type of candle. Okay, especially when they got some volume, the volume is very high one, shooting star, I will take another profit from here. Because normally, if let's say you got this kind of shooting star, trend might reverse, or this one is pullback. Okay, so because this one currently is climatic, right now it's climatics. So if let's say later on got shooting star, it may make a deep pullback to 20 MA again. So yeah, this one you have to take note. Like, let's say you're still holding MMAG. Okay, good. At least today got something lah. Okay, now let's go to alerts. Chengdu. Like I said, today I'm more interested in pullback. Now I will share with you some of the way I use for my pullback. Okay, now if you are using this X chart over here, you can actually go to this bull signal over here. I'm using trend reversal, weekly high, and pullback, or you can use XIFU alerts also. Okay, we got pullback inside. So what I do is that normally I will go to yesterday, okay, because yesterday some of them actually come with strong closing. Okay. Today is Thursday. Why I think red one? Okay, I think I accidentally clicked on something. Okay, I have to sort by time lah. Sort by time. Okay, yesterday you noticed towards the end, right, we got NE Northeast. Okay, we got Solar West, Samaiden, Huayang, Kitakon, World Chips, Kobe, but Kobe today move also. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is that I want to see which counter actually have some bullish momentum towards the end of the closing of yesterday. But this morning it dropped a little bit, so this is how actually we want to spot some pullback. Okay, okay, let's try Solar West. Okay, Solar West cross back. Okay, this one I think is good. Like some we test over here. Okay, Samaiden, but Samaiden background also nice also. PIE, let's try. Okay, this one maybe. Go to hourly chart. Okay, this one haven't really jalan yet. Okay, of course, this one jalan already. Now it looks like they are doing another round of pullback. Okay, so PIE, okay, I will put it in my watch list first. See later got any potential or not. Next gates, YTL. Okay, yesterday good closing. Okay, today looks like drop back. Okay, today looks like drop back. So yes, if let's say they are still above this small gap, okay, I think maybe still got chance for another short round over here. Okay, so you all understand, right, what I'm trying to do, right? I look for yesterday bull signal. Of course, towards the end one, I'll look for the last trading hour. Okay, the one that actually made a strong closing. But this morning, it actually dropped a little bit, but low volume. Okay, low volume. So this is how actually I try to spot some pullback. Okay, for me to look for opportunities. Okay, this one no volume, no volume, no point. Edeltech also not much volume, a bit liquid, but recently got volume coming back. Okay, this one maybe we put into the alert first. Capnets, not much volume. MCE Holding, not really. Okay, so far I think it's YTL only. Fin, okay. Fin also not too bad. Okay, probably last one Dayang before we end our sections. Hey, Dayang good. But how about today? Okay. This one what I mean, okay? Still on the way doing pullback, okay? Okay, I'll be stingy one. Okay, so maybe 1.84, okay? 1.84, hopefully. Later, maybe, today, Friday, sell a little bit, somewhere around here. Maybe next Monday, I got chance somewhere around here. Okay, so yeah, at least we spot something like pullback in our Dayang. Okay, at least can put into my portfolio first. Okay, now let's try Maybank, last one before we close. Maybank need to use daily already, but I think so far so good for Maybank, right? Daily, yeah, rejected resistance lagi. Okay, Eddie looking for entry exit. Okay, reaccumulation with shakeout. This is the shakeout zone. Okay, normal is good sign. Reaccumulation with shakeout normal is good sign, but here actually rejected 3 times already. Okay, yeah, market's bad. Okay, so this is what happened. So to lower down your risk, I think here is pretty clear. It's support level around 10 ringgits, okay, or maybe 10 ringgit and 10 cents area. It's a good area for you to consider low risk entry. Okay, trend wise I think it's still there, but just that now it's a reaccumulation with sideways shakeout. A bit similar to Tenaga. This probably will last for a few months. Okay, this one starts since when? Last year September already. Okay, so tested 3 times. So make sure you watch out for your support level. Okay, again, same things. If let's say you see widespread down bar, high volume like Uchitech, okay, you have to decide very quickly. So that's why I say best is that you try here for lower risk. Okay, let's look into my analyzer. Okay, FA wise, 3 out of 9, not the best one. But if let's say you're looking into trend, okay, 4 out of 10, I think okay. Short-term trend is weakening out, definitely, because it's sideways. So you notice M and L, we still got around 60%, so which means mid-term trend and long-term trend is still in the right track right now. Okay, so at least trend is good. Okay, for Maybank, but again, watch out for the supports. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning over here. Hopefully my section in this morning definitely will help you, okay, to give you some update on the overall markets. Again, if you like my section, I appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. We have Telegram, join our Telegrams for more discussion purpose. And I'll see you next week.